In this tutorial, we will see that how you can remove account restriction on Facebook. So let's dive right in. You will get this button of remove restrictions. So you have to follow these steps carefully. If your Facebook account has been restricted, it means you have violated Facebook community standards or term of service. So to remove this restriction, firstly, you have to understand the restriction like temporary restriction or permanent restriction. Temporary restrictions are usually for minor violations and might last for a few hours, but if you did a permanent restriction, more serious violations can lead to permanent restriction or ban. So the first step to resolve it, from this home page, you have to open your notifications where you will get notification of account restriction, or you can open up your email that's attached with your Facebook account to see what type of restriction you did. After checking it, you have to click on this profile picture and then you will be on this menu. Scroll it down. Here you will get this settings and privacy. You need to open it and open settings from here, and then it will open up these type of options here. Click on this, see more in account center, and here you have to open this personal details. If you open it will open up this type of dashboard here where click on this identity confirmation. If you identify your confirmation on Facebook, it will help you to remove restrictions from Facebook. This was the first step. Click on this confirm your identity. Then it will show you this protect your account. Click here and it will ask you to add your two-factor authentication. In order to authenticate yourself, you can choose any of the method of two-factor authentication. I am selecting here text message. Click continue. You have to type your number here and click continue. Then it will send a verification code to your phone number that you have to type here. After typing it, click continue. This was the first step, and then you can see here our two-factor authentication is turned on. After doing it, you have to upload your identity confirmation like your CNIC or any passport to this Facebook app to confirm your identity. After doing it, click back, and from this menu, if you scroll it down, you will find here this help and support. Open it, and then you can simply open your support inbox after confirming your identity from the first step. If you confirm your identity, you will get a message in this support inbox that Facebook has removed violations from your account. If you still didn't receive an email to remove violations from your account, what you can do is click on this report a problem where you have to type an email. Turn on this shake phone to report a problem and click on this report problem. It will start creating this post. Scroll a bit, click on this include where you have to select your product. You have to select here this profile option. After selecting it, you have to type professionally to send report. You can write same like me. You can type here subject and type request for review and remove of account restrictions, and then type dear Facebook support team, I'm writing to request a review and removal of the restrictions placed on my Facebook account. Then you have to type your email and then username of your Facebook profile, and then you have to type I always strived to adhere to Facebook community standards and terms of service. If any of my actions have inadvertently violated these guidelines, I sincerely apologize. I assure you that any violations was unintentional and I am committed to ensuring that it doesn't happen again in future. And at last you can type here sincerely your full name, your Facebook account name and email. And at last you can type your contact number. It's optional. And then simply from right top side you'll find here this send button. You can simply send it from here, or you can also attach a file or photo by just click here to upload from phone and send it. So these were the two steps to remove account restrictions on Facebook in just few easy steps.